Wednesday, August 14th, just following up on Apple. You can see here it is continuing higher. Bought it here at the, let me get it, the lower blue line. I scaled out here, set up an hour's trade. Again, it was high probability when I bought it, take out the high of the day. I wanted to see what happened at that inflection point, if it would just take that out and try to fail and come back through the range or not. Since it kind of held up there and followed through, then you're likely looking at higher targets above. So on the daily chart, if we go to that, we are up day after day after day, kind of holding the midpoint of each previous day, working higher. So there's definitely an up bias in play. And, we're heading towards that target up here on the weekly chart, the red line. That's a 2-up week. And we have, the first 3 days of the week are holding above the open of the week and kind of following through higher. So there's no selling going on this week after last week's reversal. So until proven otherwise, we're heading towards that, 2-up or this target up here to kind of broaden out these two bars above that bar. So we will find out if that happens as the week goes on. You never know with the exhaustion risk, if we might pause a little bit first and then get up there, or maybe we never get up there. And, if somehow we never get up there and then you get a 2-down week, that's an interesting play going into the, the end of the month. But anyway, for now, it's obviously up, 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 up. And the opening price action was pretty nice in terms of pausing here and then starting up to give you a chance to get in before the first target high of the day, see if it followed through. I decided to scale out some more as it continues higher here. It's at 222.83. I just scaled out some more of that trade. I bought it at 221.79. I scaled out at 222.30 to kind of set up an over's trade. I just sold some more at 222.74, and I'll continue to watch it. I mean, you have the window up here, up into the 225 area. If all goes well, price action wise, we should head up here, have some kind of an intraday high, orderly pause, and then a second push up to some of those targets. It doesn't have to happen, but that's kind of the model that I always look for to judge if price action is doing what it's expected to do on this type of move with targets above. So we'll see if that unfolds. But if you want to just take a base hit gain here, that's fine too. Again, there was a window to head up higher, and that's why, the follow through, at least to the high of the day, was likely. And then once you saw it hold there, a little, beyond that was likely too. So we will see where it goes. This might be the high of the day. Who knows? But at this point, kind of the context of how price needs to move to work towards its target. There's some of the level, as long as we hold the open of today, then we're green. We'll see how this daily bar closes. And as long as we hold the open of the week, we're heading up, and we'll just see how the last 2 days of the week, including, this afternoon, maybe end up and how this bar looks. If we stay strongly green, then you're expecting a little bit follow through higher into next week. And that's how it kind of works. So anyway, it's moving up nicely. Good trade on Apple here at the lower blue line. We'll just see kind of how it ends up the day.